Guys, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to get my little GoPro session here, and I want to stick it on some different places on this TRX-4, and let's try and get like some different camera angles and see what it looks like. So give me a note, watch this little montage first, guys. Check out the new camera angles and let me know in the comments what you think of them. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Yeah, so I know guys, the lighting wasn't that great, it wasn't the best of scenery and everything, but it's just a little tester, just to see what these different camera angles look like. So give me a note in the comments guys, let me know what you think, see what angles you want to see more of, or even, maybe you've got some good ideas that you want to give me, like some different camera angles that you think might look cool that I can try out. Alright guys, see you soon, bye!